Right, our gradient function now is bracket 7 minus 5x all squared, and our coordinates of a point on the curve is 1, 7 over 15. We need to find the equation of the curve. Now, a gradient function, dy dx, that's equal to 7 minus 5x all squared. So this implies that to find y, we just need to integrate 7 minus 5x squared dx. Now we'll use a substitution here to make it easier. So we'll be using u is equivalent to 7 minus 5x, which implies that du is equivalent to minus 5 dx. And so now we can write our integral 7 minus 5x squared dx can be written as the integral. We know that this is u, 7 minus 5x, but we want 7 minus 5x squared, so it's u squared. And our dx is du over negative 5. So we write that as our substitution. And following that, we simplify this. We have minus u squared over 5. And if we integrate that, we have negative 15 u cubed add c. Let me just write that to the side here. Minus 1 over 15 u cubed add c. And we know u is 7 minus 5x, so this becomes minus 7 minus 5x cubed over 15 add c. So there we have it. Our integral is minus a 15th bracket 7 minus 5x cubed add c. So now we must go ahead and find c. Now if we have y at 7 over 15, so we know that this equation now is y minus 1 over 15 bracket 7 minus 5x cubed add c. We substitute that y is 7 over 15 is equal to minus 1 over 15, and I will substitute for x being 1, so that would be 7 minus 5 times 1 add c. Now this turns out to be 15c is equal to 15, which implies that c is equal to 1. And so the equation of the curve now is y equal to 1 minus 1 over 15 brackets 7 minus 5 x cubed add 1. Now to write this neatly, we could do a bit of a manipulation of the algebra. This is a 7, by the way. And let me just rub this out, and so our result is y is equal to 1 minus 1 over 15 bracket 7 minus 5x add 1. Let's forget about that. Now, if we multiply both sides by 15 and then also multiply each side by -1, rearrange, and another alternative way of expressing this neatly would be to write minus y is equal to 7 minus 5x cubed. Now both of these are correct. This is the standard form and this is the non-standard form, but in a neater way. Both or either of them is a valid solution. Thanks for watching. I'm Alistair.